Hi, in today's video I will show you how to add shipping policy, terms of service and privacy policy to your Shopify store. Let's begin then. First you are going to the settings. Then you are going to choose legal pages and you are going to generate all of these, right? So let's begin then. Let's begin with refund policy. Create from template. Let's hit this and then select all. Then you have to Control C, copy paste. Like you can copy it like this. Okay. Then we are going back to pages here, online store, pages, add page, and we are going to name it like refund policy. And here we are going to paste this code, this text, I mean. So let's see, can I paste it here? I don't know, no, well, Control V, and it is here. Yeah, right. Then hit save. And you have your refund policy page. You can view your page here. And it looks very good. You don't have to write it for yourself. Right. Let's go back and let's add it to the navigation menu. If you have legal pages, I think I made this myself. So you go and add menu. Call it legal, for example, and create it. Save. Now you have this legal menu. Add menu item. And you are going to get your refund policy from here. Refund policy, add, save. Let's go to the menu and see how does it look like if I have this menu here. Does it like, is it, well, anyways, I have to change. I don't think it's going to be visible anywhere because just yet. It's not visible anywhere just yet, not in the footer and not in the main menu, right? We are going to change this with going this here to the online store. And we have debut theme here and we can hit customize button. I'm sorry for the slow. Okay, then footer. Let's see. Legal pages, yeah, I have to change that. Change to the legal what I just made and hit select. And it should be here, right? Refund policy. And then when we create shipping policy and terms of service, they will be here and here. So they will be somewhere in the middle. Right. Let's save this for now. And let's go back to the create shipping policy and let's see what, okay, privacy policy. Create form, copy this, Ctrl C, go to the online, go here, create page, add page, name it privacy policy, right? Copy it here with Ctrl V, right? Let's see that it's right. It is like, yeah, privacy policy and there's no spelling mistakes and it is visible. Let's save it. Yes. Then let's go back to settings, to legal. We have two of these done. Let's get terms of service. Create terms of service, right? Copy this, go back, make page, add page, copy it here. See that it is like correct. Okay, it is what service, yeah, terms of service. Let's put it right. It is visible. Let's save it. Then, if I'm correct, then one more time we have to do this thing. So we have terms of service and then shipping policy. Okay, there's no shipping policy. I don't know why. Okay, but we can put it like it takes 14 days to products to arrive or something like that. Or it of course depends what, or maybe it takes 7 days. It takes a week or whatever. Shipping takes week. Takes like 2 to 5 days. Yeah, yes, whatever. I'm not sure about that. Okay, so whatever. I'm not I'm not sure about how that works. Anyways, let's go to the online store, to this what is navigation, legal, and we have this refund policy, and now we are at those other pages we just created. So we can add privacy policy and terms of service. Yeah, privacy, terms of service, refund. What else? We don't have either things we don't have, and I think we can add also those about pages and contact pages. So let's go here and let's add them in the footer also. But let's make this order. Yeah. So about, contact, privacy, terms, privacy, refund. I think it's looking good. So let's save this, and then we can see how the store is looking now. This is nice. We made it before, and in the footer it looks like this. I think this looks nice. It is like great. If we hit refund policy, refund, returns, everything is perfect. Yes. Thank you for watching. Good night.